Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. It is SheModern Saturday, my favorite day of the week. Each Saturday I do a SheModern manicure using only SheModern products. This week we are featuring, where is it? The Black Sticky Stamping Polish by SheModern. This is a game changer, folks. If you have not tried the stickies yet, you're missing out. I've got my raw pigments here, which they don't carry anymore. They carry the pigments in the little bottles. These I love. We're doing some stamping, and we have got BPL006. Love this plate. We're doing this image right here. Right here. I was going to do this one here, the triangles, but my practice nail, it just didn't look right. So I'm going with the animal print here. We've got 3 nails done, just to give us a little bit of a head start. And we've got 2 nails here that are unstamped. So this is what we're going to do now. I've got my SheModern reinforced stamper. Woo! It's a mouthful. Ooh, what happened here? My brush is all messed up. It's getting a little bit wonky on me. Can you see that? Let me get it over some paper towel. Come on, camera, catch up with me. My image is my brush is wonky. So take your first line. If you are new to stamping, put your line of polish. 45-degree angle of the scrape. Do it slow and low. Or as my tattoo says, low and slow. Get your lit roller, your piece of tape, your scraping card, and just take off the excess that you do not want on your nail. Okay, let's go with the index finger. Now each nail is going to take 2 stamps because it is a long square nail. It kind of shocks. But what you going to do? I'm not going to clean my plate. I'm just going for the gusto here. Okay, seriously, where's my stamper? Where's my stamper? Alright. We're going to go in for our bottom portion of the nail. There we go. Clean your stamper and your plate in between each nail. Give you something fresh to work with. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate your presence, your support, suggestions for anything you may want to see me do on my channel. This suggestion here came from Pumpkin's Nail Station. I was having a brain fart. I cannot think of what to do today. Pumpkins like do stamping and pigments. I'm like, bingo! We are done. We could do this. The way I wanted to do it just was not working out for me. I covered the stamper in the pigments, the 3 colors. Used my white sticky stamping polish. And this is what came out. You really couldn't identify, well, to me you can't identify the shapes too well. And it was the triangles, like I said, this image here. So what's she gonna do? I went for a different image. I went for a different image, that's what I did. Alright, getting our stamper, our scraper, our root roller. Oh my god, what is this thing in my right hand? Good gracious. Having a little bit of word trouble here, huh? Couldn't find the right ones. Beautiful. So now we're let that nail sit a little bit longer before we put the pigments on. With the sticky stamping polish, you have got a window, and I don't mean no 30-second window. Your sticky stamping polish, I've left it laying an hour before I come back and it was still tacky. What are you gonna do? So I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna clean my. Well, wait a minute. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. We're gonna go in with the index nail. Get some pigment on it. We're gonna tap, tap, dab, 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 dab. Do not rub. Do not rub. If you can still see shiny through it, you need to dab it again. Dab, dab, dab. You get you some yellow, whatever colors. I wish I had purple. But SheModern quit selling these before I had a chance to get the rest of them. I don't know if they're going to come back with these. I really wish they would. This was a great item they had. They are beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. We'll leave that sit there for just a second. We're going to remove this. That portion of our video has ended. But, oh shoot. Oh shoot. Guess I should have left it out just in case we had any droppage. Just in case. So what are you gonna do? I already moved it. So since Pumpkin suggested this, I would like you to go check out her channel. She is a dear, dear, sweet friend of mine. She does a lot of amazing nail art. Go check her out. Give her a subscribe, a follow on Instagram, pumpkins_nail_station. All of them. So I'm taking my... This is a fluffy brush, but it's kind of a stiffer one. Just taking, going side to side, giving it a light buff, slight, whatever you want to call it. Sorry I can't do it on camera, don't want to contaminate. So here are our nails. I think these turned out really cute. I'm loving them. What we're going to do is we're going to go in with our glossy shiny top coat by SheModern. We're going to top coat the babies. That's when I'll pause when they're in the lamp. I got a new lamp. It is a Sun Duo. My other one kind of took a crap on me, so oh, look at these. Look at that, nice and glossy. Ah, this is beautiful. I love, love, love a glossy nail. They're so shiny and so beautiful. SheModern does make a matte. Also a sheen. What is it called? Satin. That's beautiful too. It's great for taking pictures. But I'm a glossy kind of girl. Last nail, folks. I'm not putting any bling. Our animal print is going to stand on its own. So I'm going to pop them in the lamp and we will be right back. Alright, here we are, fresh out of the lamp, as I always say. The nails are finito. These turned out really super pretty. Love, love, love them. Thank you, Pumpkin, for the suggestion. I owe you, girlfriend. So that's it. Go check out Pumpkin's Nail Station. Check out SheModern.com. Check out their catalog. I am a brand ambassador, which I should have mentioned long before this. Nailed to 67, all caps, will save you 10% off your bill. Can't have you not saving some coin, right? So check out their catalog. Check out Creative Nail Art SheModern on Instagram and YouTube, where you can catch all of Tina's tips and tricks. She has a live on Tuesday and Friday. So that is the end of that portion of our video. My next little portion, I want to do an update on my housing for those of you who are keeping track and following along with what's going on with us. Landlord and realtor showed up this morning, 10:30 this morning. House is on the market. So to get over that news, my house is on the market that I rent. I've been here for 17 years. She has 2 other long-standing tenants besides us. So what she is trying to do, and the realtor is her niece, so that was convenient. She said this in front of her niece, so I have to go that it's going to be true. She is trying to put all 3 houses up as a package deal for an investor. That way we don't have to move right off the rip. We can take our time and either stay living here or we move. I'm going to appreciate some prayers because I am still a little worried. But I know this is in God's hands, and we're going to be okay. So please say some prayers. Sorry, didn't intend on getting all teary-eyed, but it happens. I'm one of those kind of gals. Back to the mails. Leave me a comment, please. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, not for the teary-eyed stuff, not for the personal stuff, because you like what you see. You like being here with me, sharing along on my journey of nail art, see what I get to learn. So yeah, subscribe, comment, give the video a like, please, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, let me know that you were here. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.